There are many different ways to do this problem, and honestly, whatever you're thinking besides this might actually be right. But we're going to work backwards. We're going to use all the answers given to us, and we're going to plug in a point to see which one makes it true. So I'm going to look up here to figure out which point I'm going to pick. And honestly, I'm going to pick x is 2. I'm going to pick x is 2 because 1, it's positive. Therefore, I'm not trying to multiply a bunch of negative numbers. And 2, it's a whole number, not a decimal. So now I'm literally just going to plug in for x 2 on all 4 of these, which means this now gives me negative 3 times 2 minus 10.5. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, minus 10.5 equals negative 16.5. Plug in, this starts with a negative sign, put my 2 in, minus 3.5. Negative 2 minus 3.5 is negative 5.5. 3 times 2 minus 10.5 equals 6 minus 10.5, which is negative 4.5. And then 2 minus 3.5 equals negative 1.5. Now when I look back here at where I picked my 2 at, the y value I should have come up with is negative 16.5. As I look at each one of these answers here, I realize that A gives me my correct answer. There was nothing complicated. I literally just took my problem and I worked backwards. I started with my answer choices and I figured out which one became true just by picking a point.